ang mental health
Kasi
disorder
sa
sarili ang nakaranas ng mental health disorder sa sarili ang nakaranas ng mental health disorder sa Senate Bill 206.
One of the reasons why we have a counselor.
The first step of counseling process is relationship building. It is the building and establishing the relationship between the clients and the counselor. The second counseling process is the assessment and diagnosis. It is where the counselor identifies the real problem of the counselee or kung ayun ba talaga yung problema ang kinakaharap ng client. The third counseling process is the formulation of counseling goals. It is where the counselor provides optional goals to the client.
Kaya naman meron tayong tinatawag na remedial goals, development goals, enhancement goals, psychological and physiological goals, cognitive goals, preventive goals, and reinforcement goals, and as well as exploratory goals.
The fourth counseling process is the intervention and problem solving. This is where the strategy of the counselor have a different strategy of the counselor to each client.
Ayan, I would like to congratulate you dahil okay ka na. And sana, in the future, if you never need my help, balik ka lang dito and don't forget of your follow-ups dito sa office. Dito lang naman. Wait lang. Mukha kita. Ikaw ba yung... Hi.
Yes po.
Kamusta ka na? Matagal na tayo hindi nakita. Mukha. Kamusta na? Parang tagal na rin hindi ka mabukas.
Okay naman po. Sa tingin ko nga po, nahanap ko na po yung calling ko. Gusto ko din po tumulong, kagaya po ninyo sa ibang tao.
Let me guess. Social worker?
Yes po.
What is social work? Social work is a broad profession, and according to the National Association of Social Workers, social work is defined as a profession that is devoted to helping people function the best way they can in their environment.
Sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim.
Magkakaroon ng pagbabago.
Kung tayo rin ay magbabago.
Hindi. Hindi pa huli ang lahat.
Tayo para sa kabataan, lahat para sa kabutihan.